Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the 20 solution to fix God of Ragnarok, crashing on startup or the freezing on your PC. I will also show you the additional solution to fix this problem. So let's get started. Guys, first solution is update your graphic drivers. Ensure your Nvidia or AMD drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause crashing or the freezing issues. The next solution is to verify game files. Check the integrity of game files using the Steam or Epic Launcher. Corrupted files can cause lead to the crashes. And now the third solution is to run as administrator. Right click on the game launcher or the exe file and select run as administrator to prevent any permission issues. The fourth solution is to disable overlays. Turn off overlays Steam, Nvidia GeForce Experience, Discord that can interfere with the game experience. And guys, I will recommend after every 2 to 3 solution, just restart your PC and keep checking your problem is fixed or not. And now the fifth solution is to lower your graphic setting. If the game is crashing during the intense scene, lower the graphic setting to reduce strain on your system. Now the sixth solution is the disable VSync. In some cases, disabling VSync can help reduce freezing or crashing issues in your game. Now the seventh step is to update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributable. Ensure that your DirectX and Visual libraries are completely up to date. Download them from the official Microsoft website. Now go to the Windows and type here the updates and simply open it. Guys, you just need to make sure that your Windows is completely up to date. Once you update your Windows, just restart your PC, then launch the game, then see your volume is fixed or not. And now the A step is to disable full screen optimization. Go to the game properties, click on the compatibility tab, and now you can right click on your game launcher, go to the properties, go to the compatibility, and just check disable full screen optimization, then launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. Now the ninth step is to check for Windows update. Update your Windows OS to the latest version or missing update can cause system instability. Now the 10th step is to free up system resources, close any unnecessary background application, especially resources heavy programs like the browser or the editing software. Now guys, the 11th step is to, or the 11th solution is to increase virtual memory. Expand your virtual memory to give your system more headroom for the large game like the God of Ragnarok. So go to the Windows side and type here the view advanced system setting and it will appear on the top. So just open it. Now here in the advanced, click on the setting, go to the advanced, then click on the change. Then here just select your C drive, then click on the custom size, then go to the Windows setup with the calculator and simply open it. And now guys, if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value which is the 1024 and just type this value in the initial size and just multiply it with the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. And now guys, your disk space is used instead of your RAM. Now if you have the 32 GB of RAM, then multiply it with the 1024, type this in the initial size, multiply it with the 3, type this in the maximum size, then click on the set, then click on the OK, then just click on the OK, then just apply the setting. Then the next step is to disable antivirus software temporarily. So some antivirus program can mistakenly interfere with the game files, so try disabling them during gameplay. Now the 13th step is to reinstall the game. A fresh installation may fix corrupted or missing files that could cause crashing. So you also need to make sure that your game mode is on your PC. The 14th step is to turn off ray tracing. If your system struggles with the ray tracing, disabling this feature can improve stability. And the 15th solution is to limit FPS. Use an FPS limiter or set a lower frame rate cap to prevent any overheating or the GPU overuse issues. And then check your problem is fixed or not. Now the 16th solution is to update or reinstall the audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause crashing in some games, so update or reinstall them. Now the 17th step is to run the game in the compatibility mode. If you are running an older OS, try setting the game to run in the compatibility mode for the Windows 10. Now just right click on your game launcher. First you have to go to the game installation folder of your game, then right click on your game launcher or the exe file and then just click on the properties, then go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box or the compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8 and just check this box or the run the program as an administrator. Then apply the setting, then launch the game, see your problem is fixed or not. Now the 18th step is to PC temperature. Overheating can cause the game to crash. Monitor your CPU or the GPU temps and ensure proper ventilation or the cooling. Now the 19th step is to revert overclocking. If you are overclocked your CPU or the GPU, revert to the default setting, and overclocking can cause instability in games. Now guys, the 20 solution is to install God of War on SSD. If you are using HDD, switch to the SSD. Now the additional step is to right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys, here you will see the startup app on the top, so just go to it, and here you just need to disable all the background application, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing the lot of CPU or the RAM usage of your PC. Then restart your PC and then check. Now the next step is to, in the control panel, you have to just set the high performance power plan, and you also need to set the maximum number of processors in your game. You can go to the system resources and then you can set the maximum number of processors, then restart your PC. And I hope one of these solution will fix your problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And bye bye, see you in the next video.